Happy Bees! Today is day 20 of 365, year 2024. Look at the status of my room. Sobra. Ito yung mga stuff ko. Tapos ito mga dresses, mga ay nakajus ko. Ito hindi pa nakakabihis. Ayan. Wala. Tapos yung mga bata dito pa nag-hangout, oh, diba? Sino ka dyan? Ito nagkukulay-kulay, my goodness. Hindi maayos yung vlog ko kahapon gawa ng migraine ko. Pero ngayon, susubukan nating maging okay. Naligo na lang ako ng bonggang-bongga para mabawasan yung sick feeling. Pero yeah, may dumating na akong mga orders. MJ siya. I didn't expect na MJ siya. Nakita ko lang yung itsura ng bag. Pero I'm not familiar with brands. So, pagdating ngayon, nakita ko naka-dust bag pa, diba? So, 4 lang muna yung in-order ko kasi itatry ko lang siya. Ayan. So, I don't know. We will open it and check the color. Kasi post ko sa Facebook na lang muna. Kasi kapag ganyan pala my brand, nahiya ako. Kasi, syempre, copy siya. So, push natin. Ayan, ilagay ko kayo dyan. 4 na kulay to. Itatry ko lang muna siya kung mag-work. Kasi medyo pricey siya. So, puti. Ang cute ng puti. May nakalagay nga na MJ. Hindi ko talaga ito napansin. Pero hindi naman siya halata. Ang cute niya lang. I love yung mga ano niya. Gold details. Ang ganyan siya. May paanohan siya ng sling dyan. May sling siyang kasama. So, ayun. Bongga naman. Kaso, copy siya. Hindi ko talaga in-expect. Nakita ko lang sa nagla-live na na supplier. Tapos, sabi ko, mine, 4 na kulay. Pero hindi, alam mo yung pagpasok ko pa lang kasi walang, ang tagal may mga nagmamine-mine din. So, I was like, napamine lang din. Napudol lang din ako. Yan, pudol. Pero ang cute ng kulay in all fairness. Try natin, check natin yung iba. Ang cute din ng beige ba to? Ang cute niya. Ayan. O, diba? Kaki pala. Tara natin check yung iba. Ito black. Sana may red. Kasi red yung nagustuhan ko sa pinakita niya. Ayan, may black din siya. So nice. Ang cute, no? Ang cute. Alam niyo, mahilig ako sa black. Kasi puro black na yung bag ko. So, parang cute siya eh. Kainis. Ito sana red to. Or else, pagtatampo ako, parang feeling ko beige to. Wala. Hindi kasi makikita. Gawa ng white na dust bag. Ala, black! Black naman. Nakakasad. Gusto ko yung red. Bakit black? Gusto ko yung red. So sad. Pero okay lang, mabebenta ko to. So, try natin. Beige pala yung isa, hindi pala siya white. Mali ako. Color blind yan. Nakalagay dito. Beige. Hairbrush.
I have a mini
I'm
comb.
gonna have to trim the bangs in here. Kasi papakita ko yung situation ko right now.
I know.
Like, wait, anak. Like, look at that. I have psoriasis all over the place. I don't know if you can hear that. I hear that. You can see that.
There's a car passing by.
And then, dito, mga issues tayo dyan na So, aayusin lang natin.
I'm gonna comb my
Ayan
brother's
yung situation ko sa aking ulo. Diba? Like, gotta live with it because there's nothing we can do. Ayusin ko lang yung bangs ko. Kasi medyo mahaba na siya. Right, baby girl?
Yeah. I'm getting a grow taller.
Be careful, ano? Stand up properly, ano? Pull it properly. So, I'm just gonna, do the cutting in here.
Just cut it.
You talk too much.
I'll just comb it first.
Okay. Natusok yung mata ko. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? Okay, so a little bit of like triangle daw siya dyan, pero parang may kulang doon sa
You
iba.
have to cut that part.
Yes, I have to do that.
It looks like you have bangs. Long bangs.
I have a long bangs, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Before you always had bangs and then you just cut it and then you put it in a clip. And then
Tamaan ako.
and then I'm gonna comb my hair with this mini comb.
Baby girl, wait lang. Ang sakit na mata ko, natusok.
I'm gonna comb my hair with this mini comb. See? You see this mini comb? I'm combing my cheeks.
You're combing your cheeks.
Yeah. Love you.
And you too. There. It's too high still.
What? You have to cut it now.
I did already, but I just have to, I think.
Why are you cutting it like that?
So that they're not all pantay.
What does my time mean?
I mean, parang paiba-iba siya. We are going to... Where?
We're gonna go to skating in Hawaii.
Can you put it down a little bit, that one, anak? Ayan. Wala pa rin ako sa mood, Diyos ko, Lord. Pero, yeah, let's go. Kasi, ang oras na, oh. 2:41. Push. Ayan, papunta na kami sa Bawade Mall. They are in the food court daw. So, yeah. Push. Sakto dito na ang friends. Happy birthday. We are here. Ayan, yung cake ni Ate Aya and flower and our gift. And the friends. Hi, baby girl. See, your hair is a mess. You need to fix it.
I love it.
You love it like that? Ikaw pahala. Paano ka mag-skating kapag magulo yung buhok mo?
Hair is soft.
Huh? Hair is soft?
Yeah. Feel.
Oh, wow. Actually, naasar ako sa sarili ko. Gawa ng, you know, the hair. So, ayan.
Here, this whole part is soft.
Oh, wow.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Go, Janela. Happy birthday to you.
Why you're all sad?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Ayan, picture mode ang mga person. Oo. Wow! Magagamit ka na. Oh, look, Tita will give you something. Uy, thank you, sis. Grabe, may Christmas gift pa ako. Salamat, sis. Oh, wow. And this is from Tita. Eating time. Come on, you eat na. You go and eat. What will you say? Janeba? Thank you, Tarmand. Ang daming... Wow, chocolates! Thank you! Ayan, ice skating. Which one?
Mama, that's cool.
No, it's not. Good job, baby girl! Yahoo! Ha? Ayan, kitatas lang namin mag-ice skating. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog, nakalimutan ko. Pero yeah, open ko yung gift ng friend ko kasi bag daw to. Lagayan ng mga stuff. Ang dami ko ng hawak. Regular na.
Dalawang wintermelon na large.
Hindi. Regular lang din. Oo, diba?
Large ko na po yung isa, madam.
Sige. Tama na yan. Naglalaro ka na. Let's go na. Ah,
Can we go back home so that I could get the fun and then play?
sige na. Come on. Come on. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog na dito sa gala namin kasi ni-enjoy namin yung moment with friends. Excuse me. Ayan, babies, napadaan tayo dito sa Viva. Drain up ko lang muna yung yung friend ko tsaka yung mga bata. Si Bebe Boy tsaka si Pepe Girl sa kanila. Tapos punta ako dito para mamili ng mga ilalagay ko sa box.